all that lines, o lalo na dun sa line segment, we can create or we can identify polygons. Okay, ano naman itong polygons? Okay, wag manilito. Pag sinabing shape, it is also a polygon. Okay. A polygon is a closed figure made up of the line segment. Sabihin, kids, ang polygon ay binubuo, ito daw ay closed figure, saradong figure, na binubuo ng mga line segment. Okay, our line segment, di ba, yung dalawang dulo na may tuldok. They are both, they have two endpoints. Ayan. So, that is the line segment. Okay. So, ano yung mga polygons natin? So, three-side polygons is we called triangle. Okay. Kaya, three sides. So, triangle because tri, that is, the meaning of tri is three. Angle means angle, that is the corners. So, three angles, that is triangle. So that is a three-sided polygon, that is triangle. Now, maraming magsasabi, uy, alam ko na to, naalala ko na to, tinuro sa amin ni Teacher F. Kaso, based on shape. Now, nag-level up tayo. We called it polygons. Okay. So, pag nakita ng three-sided shape, or pag sinabi natin na three-sided polygon, we called it triangle. Okay, next. Quadrilaterals. Yan. Pag sinabi natin quad, that is four, lateral, that is sides. So quadrilateral has four sides. So four sides. So yun ang tatandaan natin. Pag narinig niyo yung word na quadrilateral, that is four side. Quad is means four, and lateral, that is sides. So quadrilateral, four sides. Okay, so ano-ano yung mga four sides natin? We have so many kinds of quadrilateral. Okay, ano-ano? First, we have square. Di ba? Kasama din yan sa shapes natin. Ano naman yung square? Square, if we define the square has a four equal sides, four corners, four right angles. Okay, makikita nyo, di ba? Four equal sides. Kung ano ang measurement nitong nasa taas natin, yun din ang measurement nung lahat ng sides niya. Tapos lahat ng corners niya ay right angle. Yung four corners niya ay right angle. Okay, got it? Okay, now next, we have rectangle. So in our rectangle, syempre quadrilateral nga, that is four sides, four corners, but two opposite sides are equal. Bakit two opposite sides are equal? Yung measurement ng top ay yun din yung measurement ng bottom. Ayan. At kung ano yung measurement ng left side niya, yun din ang measurement ng right side niya. Okay, so that is rectangle. So if we define the rectangle, that is four sides, four corners, two opposite sides are equal. Another quadrilateral. This is a rhombus. Okay, a rhombus is a special type of parallelogram whose all sides are equal. The difference between square and rhombus is that all angles of square are right angle, but the angles of rhombus are not right angle. Okay, hindi naka-right angle si rhombus. Para siyang naka-sandal. Diba? Naka-slant siya na square. Okay, pag nakita nyo yung naka-slant na square, that is not square ha. That is rhombus. We call that rhombus. And hindi lahat ng sides ng rhombus ay right angle. Only square are all sides, all corners ay right angles. Okay. Next, a parallelogram. Okay, ulit, nakakabulol siya, no? Dahan-dahanan natin. Parallelogram. Ayan. Can you repeat it? Parallelogram. Okay, very good. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with opposite sides are parallel, and therefore opposite angles are equal. Okay. Listen. Kanina yung rectangle, 'di ba, naka-straight siya. Okay. Pag nakakita kayo ng rectangle na medyo naka-slide, 'di ba, ng konti, we called it parallelogram. Ayan. That is the main thing to see or to observe the parallelogram. Pag medyo parang inaantok na siya, parang nakatagilid na. Ayan. That is parallelogram. Okay. Next, trapezoid. Ayan, trapezoid. So what is a trapezoid? Ano yung napapansin nyo sa trapezoid? Anong look like shape siya? Okay. Very good. Ang trapezoid ay parang hugis roof ng house or hugis bubong. Ayan. Also known as trapezium is a flat closed shape having 4 straight sides with 1 pair of parallel side. Ano yung pair ng parallel side niya? Yung top at saka yung bottom. Parallel side siya. Kasi yung dalawang sides niya sa left and right, hindi siya nakaparallel. Okay, hindi siya nakaparallel. Okay, so when we see a roof-like shape, that is a trapezoid or trapezium. Okay, so these are the quadrilaterals. And kids, a polygon name according to their sides. Okay, so if you ask me, what if there's a 5 sides? So these are the polygons that name based on the number of sides. Okay, a regular polygon has sides of equal measures and equal angles. So, pag 5 sides, we call it pentagon. Parang piatos. Yan. Sino ba kumakain sa inyo ng piatos? Parang piatos yan. Pentagon, penta means 5, gon means sides. Kaya pentagon. Hexagon. We have a 6 sides and we called it hexagon. Heptagon. So this is 7 sides. We called it heptagon. Okay, octagon. So octa, that is 8, parang octopus, di ba? Gon is sides. Kaya octagon, 8 sides. Next, nonagon. Okay, nonagon. Nonagon, they are named by 9 sides. Nona means 9. Gon means sides. That is nonagon. Next, decagon. Decagon has 10 sides. So, 10 din ang kanyang angles. That's why it's decagon. Next, 11 sides. We have hendecagon. So, hendecagon has 11 sides. The decagon has 12 sides. Ayan. So, kids, marami pang klase ng polygon. So, indefinite tayo pagdating sa number, di ba? So, it can give, ayan lang, 13 side, 14 side, up to 100 sides, kahit na 1,000 sides, meron tayo niyan. But hindi na natin kasama sa pag-aaralan yon. So, dito lang muna tayo. Dito lang tayo magpo-focus hanggang dodecagon. Ayan. Okay. So, madali lang yung ating lesson for today. And for your activity, okay, pwede nyong maging reference itong video na ito, Ritu. For your activity, for your worksheet in math, you will do page 1 and page 2. Okay. Page 1 and page 2 for your activity for today. Ayan. So, again, grade 2, maraming salamat and have a nice day. Inom ng maraming tubig para hindi ma-dehydrate at mag-ingat palagi. God bless.